Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my Boxycharm boxes that I got this month. I have the base box and then the premium box right here. I know in my last Boxycharm video I did a giveaway. There is not going to be a giveaway in this video, but I am going to be doing a giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers and when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So some of the items in this box, in these boxes that I won't be using, will be going towards those giveaways. So just make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see when that comes up. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I have in these boxes, then just keep watching. Alright guys, we are going to start off with the base box right here. So the theme of this month is glam vibes only. This is a little bent. I'm glad I got one of these. I haven't been getting them in some of the boxes, so we're just gonna go over, first of all, my choice item, which is right here from Farmacy. It's their Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. This retails for $45. I'm not like big into eye cream, and I know this is definitely fragrance, and I'm not big into fragrance skincare. But I'm still gonna use it, honestly. I don't have sensitive skin, so it's not an issue for me. And I don't have fragrance in any other of my skincare items, so 1 or 2 fragrance items isn't really a big deal for me. So I will be keeping this. Next, we have this Mudmasky Blue Light Protection Mask. This retails for $54. So this is interesting. It is a mask that blocks high energy visible light, HEV light, from digital devices like smartphones, laptops. It says it's up to 94% with that. Made especially for people that spend a lot of time behind a computer screen. Prevents premature skin aging caused by HEV lights. And it retails for $54. This is kind of interesting. I honestly don't think I would ever use this. So this is probably going to be one of the giveaway items. Next, we have this Luna Magic Beauty, and it's a Blended Girl 4-piece brush set. The little like holographic packaging is really cool. I love getting brush sets in subscription boxes. I always use them. So this comes with 4. It's supposed to be like an eye brush set, so I'm going to try to use these today. These are pretty interesting, basic ones, but I have never had a brush like this. I don't know what you would do with it. Maybe like buff out edges or something, or you can even use this as a highlight. Honestly, you can use brushes however you want to, but that is cool. I will be keeping that for myself. And these next 2 items probably are going to be going towards my giveaway boxes. So this next one is Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Eyeshadows. This is $25. I'm not really big into cream shadows at all. And the shades in this are Privet Jet and Shimmering Sunset. So it's like a pink matte and then a golden shimmer. I don't think I'll ever use this. Just like I said, I don't really use cream shadows. So I'm going to set that aside. And then the last thing in the base box is from Hipdot. It's this Zion eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. This is really pretty. And here are the colors. I guess I took the thingy out of it. Right here, really pretty. Part of me really, really wants this, but I honestly have all these colors in another palette, so I'm probably gonna put that in a giveaway. I'm not 100% sure. We will come back to that. But the cream and the brush sets, I'm definitely keeping. So that was the base box. Next, we are moving over to the premium box. And I have in the description box below all the prices and information about each box. So if you're interested in that, just check the description box below. Here is this card for the premium box. First up, we have this Kitsch, I think that's how you say it, ice roller. This retails for $18. It's like a little, I think it's like a rose gold ice roller thing. You stick it in your freezer and I guess roll your face with it. Now, I already have like a jade roller and a rose gold roller that I keep in the freezer that I use, so I don't really think I need this at all. It is nice that they're putting like different things in the boxes besides just makeup and skincare. It's nice to get some beauty tools like that. Next, we have this Eloise Beauty The Queen eyeshadow palette, which retails for $46. I think everybody who got a premium got this, but first of all, like, look how beautiful the packaging is. I love the packaging, and you guys, the palette itself is so gorgeous. So, fun thing, I'm actually keeping this, but my mom, who also gets Boxycharm, gave me hers. So one of these is actually going to be in my giveaway box. So I don't know which giveaway box it'll be in yet, but it definitely will be in one of them because I don't need two of them. So super excited about that. Mommy, if you're watching this video, thank you for donating. Next we have this from Milk Makeup. It's a highlighter, and this retails for $28. It's in the shade Lit. It's a really pretty champagne-y one. I already did open it, so it's not like messed up or anything because I wanted to swatch it. So let's see what it looks like. Kind of subtle. It's really pretty though. I don't have any actual cream highlights. Like I have liquid highlighters, but I don't have a cream highlight. So this is really pretty. I'm excited about that one. Next we have this Emma Hardy Brilliance Face Oil, which retails for $55. That's expensive. It says, hydrating and lightweight, the Brilliance Facial Oil from Emma Hardy massages deep into the skin so you can achieve a natural looking glow. Multi-active, this formula is crafted with potent essential oils that soothe and purify skin, while camelina oil offers antioxidant protection from free radical damage. Sounds interesting. I am definitely going to keep this because I'm probably going to use this as a primer today. But let's look at that. Ooh, fancy. That is a really fancy bottle. I wonder if it smells like anything. Yes, it does. Ooh, very strong. Kaylee just woke up, so I'm gonna have to speed through this so I can try to get her back to sleep. The next two things are both from Marc Jacobs. So this one is a Highliner liquid eyeliner. I don't know what that means. Is it liquid and a gel? $27, and it's in the shade Black Whore, I think is how you say. So let me open this up and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, it's two sides. Ooh, interesting. Okay, so this side right here, oh, I haven't used eyeliner like this, so there's that. Oh y'all, that is watery. Oh yeah, maybe that was like a bad swatch on my part, but that's really watery. And then is this side something, or is that it? Oh, I guess that's it. Oh, okay, just that one. You can probably hear her now. And then the last one is this Beauty Dewdrops. This is actually my choice item. This retails for $45, and they didn't have it in the shade that I wanted, so I got it in the other shade, which was Tantalize. This is really pretty, but you guys, I don't need it. I have a highlighter, liquid highlighter, that shade already that I like, so this is going in the giveaway box too. So right now, just from this video, we have this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, all going in my giveaway box, which is kind of crazy because like that's a lot of stuff, but out of the things that I'm keeping, it still more than covers the cost of the box. Like I'm keeping this one for myself, which this alone is $46, which covers this covers a premium box alone. And this that I got in the base box covers the base box alone. And I'm still keeping, you know, these three things. And I haven't decided if I am keeping this or not. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to scoot you guys in, and we are going to do a bit of an eye look using this palette. So yeah.
Alright you guys, the first shade I'm going in is with the shade Shiva, and I just packed this all into the crease, blended it out. This one was a little bit patchy, so it took a little bit to build it up. Then I went in with the shade Kingdom on the same brush and then just buffed it in lower. After that, I went in with the shade Powerful and just packed that all over my lid. Next, I grabbed my fluffy brush one more time and just blended all the colors together one more time. And then I went in with that liquid liner and just created a thin wing. I was actually pretty surprised at this liner. I've never used a brush tip before, and I thought it was actually surprisingly pretty easy. For the lower lash line, I just went in with the shade Kingdom, buffed it all to the lower lash line, and this is a finished look. It was super easy, you guys.
Okay guys, I'm back. I did the eyes, I finished off my base. I know I said I was going to use this as a primer, but my face was already like glowy enough and I didn't want to make it too glowy. So my thoughts on the palette, I really like it. Some of the mattes were actually a little difficult to blend out. I actually did one eye look first and I hated how it looked, so I took it off and I did this one instead. I like how it is, really pretty. The shimmers are gorgeous. The only thing is there is no like cream color like to set your primer with, so I had to go in with a different palette for that. The eyeliner definitely surprised me. It did better than I expected. The tip on it was really good for the wing. I've never used a brush tip applicator before, so this was a first for me. I did like smudge a little bit over here. I don't know if you can see. And now we are gonna do the highlighter. So I've never used a cream highlighter before, so I think what I'm gonna do is apply it to my sponge first and then put it on my face. See, like, it looks like I have something on already because my face is already glowy enough as it is. So I just didn't want to add that serum on it. So let's see how this does. It's a little chunky. I got some chunks on it. It's really pretty. I think it's subtle, but you can also build it up. And it's not taking up any product off of my face, which is good. This is really pretty, actually. All right, guys, there we have it. And that is all I have for you guys for this month's Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and be on the lookout for my next giveaway video, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.